Hello everyone, welcome to NPTEL classes. Today I am here to solve chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 2.42 from unit 2nd, that is structure of atom. Let me read the problem. An ion with mass number 37 possesses 1 unit of negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electrons, find the symbol of ion. So problem is based on ion, and in the question it is given that ion is negatively charged. So for us this ion is anion and charge on this anion is -1 unit negative charge. Relation between number of neutrons and number of electrons for this ion is also given, that number of neutrons are 11.1% more than number of electrons. Mass number of this ion is given 37. Now we have to write symbol of this ion. I will represent this ion by ion is anion, and I will represent this anion by X, which I need to determine. Symbol of anion I will keep X, which I have to determine, identify. Its mass number is A and its atomic number is Z, and magnitude of and charge on this anion is given -1. Now from the question, mass number is given. Mass number is given equal to 37. Number of atomic number, which gives number of protons, I don't know. Z I don't know, and charge on this anion is -1. Now mass, we know mass number A. Mass number A is equal to number of neutrons plus number of protons. From here, number of protons I will calculate. Number of protons will be equal to A mass number minus number of protons. Now number of neutrons will be equal to A. Number of new protons represents atomic number equal to Z. What is this equation? This equation gives me number of neutrons in atom. Number of neutrons in atom is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number is number of protons plus neutrons. Atomic number is number of protons. Number of electrons in this anion I need to calculate. Number of anions will be equal to, number of electrons will be equal to number of protons plus 1, because magnitude of charge on this anion is 1. It has gained 1 electron in order to form anion, and number of electrons in this anion will be equal to number of electrons in neutral atom, which is atomic number, number of protons, plus number of electrons gained by atom to form unit negative anion, that is 1. This equation gives me number of electrons present in this union negative anion and is equal to atomic number plus 1. So here Z, I may write Z is equal to E minus 1. Now I will substitute, instead of this Z I will substitute E minus 1, or I will express Z in terms of number of electrons. If this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, what I will do? I will express Z in terms of number of electrons here in equation 1. Number of neutrons will be equal A minus E minus 1. This I will keep equation 3rd. Now in the question it is given that number of neutrons is equal to, relation between number of neutrons and electrons is given that number of neutrons is 11.1%. 11.1% more, 11.1% of number of electrons more than number of electrons. This is given in question that number of neutrons is 11.1% great, 11.1% greater than number of electrons. I may write this equation N is equal to E plus 11.1 divided by 100 into E. E here is not magnitude of charge, E for me is number of electrons. Number of neutrons is equal to E plus 0.111 number of electrons. This equation I will keep equation 4. Now look into equation 3 and look into equation 4. If I compare equation 3 and equation 4, both give me number of neutrons in this ion. Or LHS side of both these equations represent same thing, number of neutrons. So after comparing 3 and 4, I find that LHS side is same, RHS side, therefore RHS side will also be same. I can easily equate RHS sides from 3rd and 4th. From 3rd and 4th, I may write 3rd is A minus E minus 1 is equal to E plus 0.111 E. A minus E plus 1 is equal to E plus 0.111 E. Now A mass number is given in the question 37 minus E plus 1 is equal to E plus 0.111 E. Now this is the final equation from where I can find number of electrons. Number of electrons will be equal to, I will take this E to RHS side. So total number of E on RHS side will be 2.111 E is equal to 37, and E will be equal to number of electrons in this ion will be equal to 37 divided by 2.111, and it will come equal to 17, or if I may check, it will come equal to 18. It comes equal to 18. But I don't need to find number of electrons. I need to find number of protons, because number of protons is equal to atomic number, and on basis of atomic number I can identify the symbol element. I can identify the element, I can write symbol. But number of protons I will calculate from number of electrons, because here I wrote number of electrons, number of protons will be in this NN. Number of protons will be 1 less than number of electrons. I know Z is equal to Z is equal to E minus 1. Now I will substitute E. Z will be equal to 18 minus 1. It will come equal to 17. I got atomic number. Z is equal to 17. Now what is this atomic number? It is number of protons in the nucleus of this ion. And it represents atomic number, which is fundamental property of an element. And in periodic table there is only one element with atomic number 17, that is chlorine. At the start I represented symbol by X, but now I am in a position to identify what this X is. X is basically chlorine, element is chlorine, and now I need to write symbol of its union negative Nn. I will write its charge is -1. I will write its atomic number Z is 17. I will write its mass number is 37. So this is our answer. This problem was based on this Nn, chloride Nn. This problem was based on this ion Cl raised power -1, which has 1 unit of negative charge, whose mass number is 37, whose atomic number is 17. In the nucleus of this ion there are 37 total nucleons, out of which 17 are protons, and 37 minus 17, which is equal to 20, will be neutrons. And number of electrons for this ion will be 1 greater than number of protons, and number of neutrons will be 11.1% greater than number of electrons, which was given in the question. Class 11th students, this is what I have for you today. See you on Monday with one new problem. Take good care of yourself, as tomorrow is turn of class 12 students. Allah Hafiz.